here with my girl Khaya. We just ordered a fuck ton of Pizza Hut, and I'm gonna eat it in front of you. I ordered 14 wings. I think this is the pizza. I got this cute little cookie, and then we got some pasta. I originally just wanted the cookie. We originally just wanted the cookie, but then I was on the Pizza Hut website and decided that I need to do more. So here we are. Pizza honey barbecue. God, I feel like Trisha Paytas.
Smells really good.
It does smell really good.
Trisha?
This?
We're coming for you.
We're coming for your brand. I'm not cool enough to be Trisha Paytas. Oh, there's gonna be lots of that later in the video, trust me. I got this cute,
Pizza?
chicken Alfredo pizza.
And the cookie?
Wait, that's dessert!
And I got, this doesn't need to be in a box. I don't know why it is, but, oh. Little did they know, it's just me. I got this bacon mac and cheese pasta.
And breadsticks.
And breadsticks.
You just splattered me with
With what?
with mac and cheese juices.
Okay, we love a good face shot. And for dessert, we have Kaya's favorite chocolate chip cookie. Alright, I'm probably going to be the one eating most of this because Kaya didn't ask for any of this. We were just going to share a cookie, so.
Can I eat a breadstick?
Yeah, you can eat whatever you want. So people normally just talk or tell stories during these things. I didn't prepare. This is a very last minute decision, so enjoy our natural flowing conversations. Kasey is also here. Kasey, do you want to say hi?
I'm okay. I'm gonna be like Stephanie Sue's like fiance that's only like pops the hand in every once in a while.
Alright, well Kasey's here too. Alright.
Eating in front of people.
Oh, guess what, Kaya?
You gonna learn
You
today.
wanted to film a mukbang. This was really all your idea too. I just wanted food. You were like, oh my god, I get to film a mukbang. And I was like,
Well, if you got all this, what was the point of that?
I wasn't gonna get all this. But here we are. I mentioned this in my vlog, but I'm only in BC for the next 2 days. 2.5 days. I fly to Ontario on Sunday to go home for Christmas and see my family, so this is gonna be my food for the next 2.5 days, because fuck the SFU dining hall.
I'm gonna try one.
Go ahead.
What do you rate it?
Oh, should I have a scale?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. What's my scale? I don't want to do like 1 to 10. That's stupid. What's a really bad food?
Brussels. Oh no, Brussels sprouts actually good.
I like Brussels sprouts. Let's do like
Cabbage.
I was gonna say
Ew.
anchovies. Do we all hate anchovies? Or like
All
sardines?
Seafood. All seafood.
No, she's
Sardines is like.
No.
You like what?
But do you like sardines?
I don't think so.
Right. So sardines is 1. And then what's an amazing food? These wings are like a. They're like a chocolate. Like everybody likes it, but it's okay. Nothing extraordinary like ravioli. Okay, I got napkins.
Yeah.
I didn't think about that.
Okay. May I try a bite of your macaroni?
We can do it.
I'm just gonna try a bite of everything and that's Oh my god, that's my favorite noodles! The
Fusilli noodles.
the spiral.
Fusilli! No such thing as spiral noodles.
The curly ones.
Was it you that called it fucking straight pasta? She called spaghetti straight pasta and then said, you know, the lines. And me and Danica were just like, you mean spaghetti?
Okay, but like when I think of spaghetti, I think of it with the sauce, not like the noodle.
Well, no.
That is
Spaghetti
spaghetti
isn't like
marinara.
noodles.
That's what that is.
Okay,
or
well,
bolognese.
Okay.
Ooh, that's some tea.
She was shocked. Okay, I'm gonna switch these out. Like a professional.
No.
This is good.
It's like
It's very basic.
it's like
You let cutting the heat off. I know you're showcasing it. But like,
Look.
Okay.
oh,
I
I showed you that. I showed you that pizza.
I haven't had this pizza before.
Well, that's one I always get.
I have not had it with you.
Well, it's tasty. It's better with stuffed crust though. 10 out of 10.
I tried to get it with stuffed crust.
No.
Is it stuffed crust? No,
'Cause
it's
it's-
not. Last time in forever. How do I write this one? Oh my god.
7. Worse.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not rating it a pasta, to be honest. There's just nothing special about it.
Mm-mm.
Is it good? Is it satiating you?
Yeah.
Okay, then it's above a 5.
I would give it a 5. May I have some water, please?
Girl.
Thank you.
Should have
You
got.
should have glasses on this YouTube channel. I don't like Dr. Pepper.
Really?
I haven't had it in such a long
Yeah,
time. It's like
really?
something I'm have to be in the mood for.
My favorite pops? Okay, I used to be like Coca-Cola all the way over like Pepsi. But honestly, the last few times I've had Pepsi, I'm like, this fucking
Slaps.
smacks.
I don't drink pop.
You used the word slaps incorrectly. Notified by people from California. Apparently,
This is sweet.
slaps can only be used in reference to music. And you say schmacks or smacks in reference to food.
I had to
I'm
play-
learning.
but we're
Don't
not-
come for me.
We're not in the land of Trump, so their rules don't apply. Put them in the fucking ground.
Hey! If we're going to eat the cookie, you gotta have it on camera.
You had 2 pieces.
No.
Dude, and you... No etiquette. None.
No, I ate it in front of
Okay,
you.
I'm gonna just put these in the breadsticks. Because I haven't had the pizza yet. So that food rating is like a chicken. Again, everybody likes it, but it's nothing special. It's different. What did you feel about this one?
It's my
It's your favorite. Like I liked it. But like I'm used to pizza with like tomato sauce, I guess, or something.
No, that's not my favorite. But I'm the same. Do you feel attacked?
That's tea, tell you that.
I prefer good meat lovers.
Mm-mm.
Lots of sausage. Oh man. Don't choke on your panuki.
It's only a panuki if it's from Boston Pizza.
What are basically the same fucking
It's-
thing.
It's a chocolate chip cookies. It doesn't come in a cast iron pan. There ain't no ice cream. It ain't no panuki. Like I can make up that entire plastic fork disappear.
There's well, that's could I do that? I don't know.
You could try. Do it with the pizza crust first. I can put my whole fist in my mouth.
Really? What do you
Yes.
if you just like wiggle it right? This doesn't work the same way. I just have a very
Choices.
small throat, man. It's
I showed you I could fit my fist in my mouth.
I cannot.
Hey,
You're like.
that's what I had to do. Oh, did I not? Around it.
I've always been able to.
I was, yeah, no, I could, but it was just like,
I could, but it was just like,
I had to,
I just make it work in the situation.
excuse me.
I'm gonna try some of this.
Diabetes.
It's a pasta. A pasta.
It's 100% a pasta. Oh my god. I love pasta and this. This is so good.
I told you. I think I cut my throat.
Why?
That's a mood.
When I came back from Ontario,
Ooh,
I
she
had
bleed.
I had very swollen nose. And I went to the doctor.
She She goes,
And she was like, yeah, you're very swollen. And I was like, I have no idea why. Fuck, this is so good.
ooh.
I can like feel the granules of sugar just like grinding in between my teeth. I feel it all.
It's home.
I can't wait to eat all this again tomorrow morning. We have to eat enough that I can put it all in one box.
Gotta eat the pasta then.
Pasta's my least favorite. Actually, no, pizza's probably my least favorite. I could use more sauce.
When it gets to just Alfredo, you want to taste the other stuff. You want to taste the cheese, the Parmesan, the garlic. Don't just want to be white cream all over your face. From the pizza, at least.
Well, okay.
Right. According to some,
You make me feel
so many people are gonna hate on me for that.
Yeah,
For not eating the crust.
the crust is the best part.
If it's stuffed
This is
crust.
just bread.
No, it's the best part. I thought you were going to hit me with it.
No, listen.
Stuffed crust is the best.
We're not abusive in this house.
That's why you always get stuffed crust.
Stuffed crust
Then why didn't you
is
get it?
amazing. Because
She tried.
I really want to throw this at you. I'm resisting.
You throw it
A
at me, I'll
lot.
eat you up.
No, you won't.
Oh, try on me, bitch.
Oh shit! I wasn't ready. I wasn't ready.
No, I just want
shit.
to watch that to see my face in it. Because I
It's another
But
pizza.
I will still argue that the crust is not the best part because it is just the dough. The rest of the pizza has all the toppings and the sauce that and the cheese that makes it the pizza. Otherwise, it's just bread. Thank you for coming to my TED Talk.
Hennessy on my lips, take a little sip, privacy on the door, I'ma make this shit real. A rich nigga ain't thinking that's my type.
That's my type. That's my type.
Oh, close.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it.
For somebody who wanted to be just behind the scenes.
She's salty. That's okay.
Eat another cookie.
If you insist.
My poor body has been through a beating the last couple weeks.
Yeah.
Food and stuff.
No, he just like, does she have a big room too? And I was like, it's the handicapped room.
It
That's what it is. Why do you think it's a strobe light?
Isn't there a strobe? There's a strobe in every room.
No, mine.
I just thought you had it because you're special.
All of the rooms that end in 8 are the handicap rooms.
My room last year had a strobe light.
No, it didn't.
Never
What
did.
is the strobe light for? Won't that give you epilepsy? I mean,
No, no. They put someone with epilepsy in a handicap room because they
how do you turn the strobe lights on?
You can't.
No,
No,
this
it's when the fire alarm goes off. You can't just turn them off. I don't. Did you think you can just turn it on? Party! Party!
The fire alarm goes off and you're gonna have a seizure because you're gonna have to get on your bed and
It's like, what would I rather do? Like, die in a fire or die of a seizure? Because it's gonna happen either way. thank you for coming to our mukbang.
Hope you enjoy the stupidity of our brains.
Of Kai and Key.
What?
Kai and Key. It's the first syllable of both our names.
Oh.
Please come back and keep watching me because I'm having a lot of fun making these. See you in the next one.
That was good.